जान गंवाई थी, अंग्रेजों के छक्के छुड़ाकर लक्ष्मीबाई ने अपनी जान गंवाई थी। जब जाकर मेरे भारत ने सही स्वतंत्रता पाई थी, तब जाकर मेरे भारत ने सही स्वतंत्रता पाई थी। Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Shikha Kumari. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, I am going to speak about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was a great freedom fighter of India. She was born on November 28 in Varanasi. She is known as Jhansi Ki Rani. Her father's name was Morpan Tambe and mother's name was Bhagirathi Tambe. At birth, she was named Manikarnika and nicknamed Manu. She was married on Raja Gangadhar Rai, the ruler of Jhansi. Lakshmibai fought very bravely with the British to save Jhansi. Rani Lakshmibai did all the battlefield on 17 June 1858, and she will always in the heart of every Indian. I in my speech, thank you.
Thank you.